Hello, I'm Quentin Lawton, and this is your Houston Weekly Weather Outlook from the Weather Museum. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is a satellite imagery from the Texas area. As you see, not much going on right now, but we could see that change, and I'll get you updated on what that's going to be. Now, we're going to see a cold front start off from the northern end of Texas and move southerly towards the Houston area and eventually off the coast. That's going to bring with it a very slight chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms this Saturday and possibly even Sunday. But as that front moves off, we're going to see that threat diminish almost completely, and we're going to see a slightly cooler temperatures Monday and Tuesday, much cooler than recently, in lower 90s. Now that front could come back up towards the coast and could possibly trigger some more scattered showers and thunderstorms as we move into Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Now again, the threat won't be that widespread, but we will keep you updated on the situation. As you see, this is your 5-day forecast, the hot weather starting out, and that rain threat coming in Sunday. This has been Quentin Lawton with a Houston Weekly Weather Outlook from the Weather Museum. Have a great day and check back with us.